So I got this incredibly easy to use universal remote from Sofabaton. The cool thing with this thing is you can actually program up to 50 devices on here. I just have two. One is the living room smart box thingy that we use, and the other one is for the Samsung TV itself. And you can program up to 50 on here. There's two ways to program the remote. There's this learning option where you can individually program each remote button in. You pretty much only have to do that if they don't have your remote pre-programmed into their system, which they do have about 500,000 already there. It's super easy to find your remote model in there, and then from there you can just program it to use your remote. And then the other neat thing is you can control it with infrared with the little box that you see over there with the green light on it. And then there's also Bluetooth options and also Wi-Fi, but Bluetooth kind of depends on your device. If it has Bluetooth, it'll control it. Wi-Fi is only compatible with Roku, Sonos, and Philips Hue, so you're not going to be able to control all your devices through Wi-Fi. If they connect through Wi-Fi, those are kind of the three only things that you can control that way. And it does come with two infrared boosters, so you can put that on your TVs so that if you're further away, you can still control it. I mean, I haven't even had a reason to use it, so that's pretty cool. It's just that little box that's sitting there has enough IR on it to get this to work for me the way I need it to. This one's programmed for my Samsung Smart TV. I can just click on home over here. My TV is a little bit of an older TV, so it's going to take a little while to load everything. While it does that, I'm just going to show you guys that there is a mobile app here as well. So if you want to control your TV through your phone, which is always kind of cool, we're just going to turn the volume up here so you can see on the TV it's turning up the volume. So you can actually control it on your cell phone if you prefer to control through your cell phone, and so that way you don't have to always be fumbling looking for the remote. So that's kind of cool. But let's go back to here now. So if I go over to the search, you can see it's quite responsive with getting through all the letters here, so it's really easy to type in something if you wanted to search for something on YouTube or Netflix or whatever. There's also activities that you can set up, which I haven't done yet, but you can set up things like one touch turn off and on all of your devices, which is really cool if you're using like some kind of like an amp with all your stuff kind of plugged into it, smart lights, whatever. Speaking of smart lights and things like that, it does have the ability to be controlled both through Alexa and Google Assistant. So if you're looking for something where you can go with the extreme lazy, never mind using your cell phone to control your TV, you can actually control it through Alexa or the Google Assistant. The nice thing too, we're just going to turn the TV off here for a sec. Get some lighting. The nice thing too is that it comes with the, you don't have to replace batteries on this thing. It comes with a USB-C charger. I don't know how long it takes to charge. I haven't had to charge it up yet. You can see I'm kind of low on battery here a little bit, but it's nice to not have to always replace batteries like you would in a traditional remote. And I just want to show you guys the screen one more time here. It's a 2-inch OLED screen, which is very nice. This scroll wheel is very responsive to get through the menu options this way. Just a really, really cool, affordable remote, and I'll have a link in the description for you guys if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.